Exercise 11.2, question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it in two different ways. So, I will explain Jyoti's diagram. Kavita's diagram is given to you as homework, which you have to do yourself, and then you have to check whether my area and your area both are same or not. Okay, now let us first find the area according to Jyoti's diagram. So what Jyoti has done, she has divided the pentagon shape into two parts vertically. So vertically you can see a dotted line which divides the park into two trapeziums. One in green color, one is blue color. Just for identification, I have used the colors. So let us see what is the first step. Given a pentagonal shaped park. Then area, what we have to find? Area of the park. So which formula we have to use? Area of a trapezium. We have divided the pentagonal shape into two trapeziums here. So we have to use the formula for area of a trapezium, which is half into h into a plus b. H is the height, a and b are the parallel sides. A plus b is sum of the parallel sides. Now let us find the area of the green trapezium. Now children, when you write in your classwork, you should write it as area of the trapezium on the left side. You cannot color and write. You just write area of the trapezium on the left side. So you will write it as half into the height h here is 7.5. How it becomes 7.5? You see the diagram below. The total distance is given as 15. But when the perpendicular line is drawn, that actually bisects the side. It divides the side into two equal parts. So exactly half of 15 becomes the height. So half of 15 is 7.5 into what are the parallel sides? The parallel sides are, again look at the diagram below, 30 and 15. 30 and 15. So add the parallel sides, 30 plus 15. So you will get half into 7.5 into 45. Now what will be the total area of the park? It is the sum of the area of green trapezium and area of blue trapezium. So in your classwork you should write area of trapezium on the left side plus area of trapezium on the right side. So that can be taken as 2 times area of the green trapezium. Because what you see is the perpendicular bisector which is drawn in the middle, it divides the pentagonal park into two equal trapeziums. You can say the trapeziums which are carbon copies of each other. So instead of adding them like this, you can write 2 times the area of the left side trapezium or area of the green trapezium. So you can write 2 into, already you have written the area of the green trapezium as half into 7.5 into 45. So 2 and 2 can be cancelled. So you will get 7.5 into 45, which is equal to 337.5 meters square. Therefore, area of the given pentagonal shaped park as per Jyoti's diagram is 337.5 meters square. Now you have to do according to Kavita's diagram and get the same answer.